What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka lang sa aming channel, pakipindot ng subscribe. Then pakipindot na rin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong ina-upload namin. So bago natin umpisa ng mga eksenang to, intro, pasok!
Arcade music, beats by DJ George Kalugdan. Once upon a time in the Philippines, Davao City, Mindanao, there is a beauty queen. Nagtitiktok lang sa gilid, ang galing niya sumayaw. Lahat ng mga tambay audience sumisigaw. Wow, ang galing sumayaw at ang ganda. Ganyan ang mga dugong Pilipinas. Nandito na si Bong Revilla!
Bong Revilla po, number 16 sa balota.
What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. So magluluto tayo ng masarap na almusal ni Mrs. Ito na.
Bitch, I'm taking off, I'm floating out of space. Been too many racks, designer on my waist. Shawty said she feeling me, wanna ride my way. She should be my everything, she just wanna be safe. I don't need no new friends, I'm coolin' with my gang. Bitch, I'm all about my money, I don't play. Say, baby, please don't leave, she want me to stay. Shawty fell in love with me, I just want that cake. Niggas switched over some views. I can see the way they move. I'm just thankful for my blessings. I don't got nothing to prove. You really wiping that hoe. She just finished out the crew. I'ma take over the world, yeah. You don't see me on the news. They showing fake love, but it's cool. I shine in the dark like a jewel. I'm jumping, she wet like a pool. I got this shit right to school. Not taking off, I'm floating out of space. Too many racks, designer on my way. Just know, 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 just know.
A few moments later.
Huwag na magagayab! Ay, magagayab!
Oh, kaya?
Akakadabi, wag mo lang. Huwag na picture.
Okay na.
Ang pangit ang higa. Huwag mo na picture. Alam ko
Sarap yan.
May picture, huwag mo na picture, ha? Ano na ba na magat ka? Ano na ba na magat ka?
Ayaw magpa-video, loko. Take two. Ayaw magpa-video, loko. Thanks for watching. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. At sa mga
Arcade
hindi
music,
pa nagsusubscribe sa aming YouTube channel, mag-subscribe na kayo.
DJ
Peace out.
George Kalugdan. Once upon a time in the Philippines, Davao City, Mindanao, there is a beauty queen. Nagtitiktok lang sa gilid, ang galing niya sumayaw. Lahat ng mga tambay audience sumisigaw. Wow, ang galing sumayaw at ang ganda. Ganyan ang mga dugong Pilipina. Wow, ang galing sumayaw at ang ganda. Ika'y mapapahanga sa beauty Pilipina. na. Yes.